40, I don't know which way this goes. 40% off, 40% discount. You should have seen my wife's face when my business partner recommended this. And then I was like, let's just do it. Let's outvote her. 40% on all single plus density strands. Now look, this is just 10-inch hair and it's way thicker than, and we got bright lights on in here, right? So this is just 10-inch hair if you want to thicken the sides of somebody's head. But listen, all, I don't know, some of you call them O-tips, some of you call them beaded strands, some of you are calling it O-wefts, some people are calling it beaded wefts, but the strands and the wefts in the lighter density, the single plus density, it's not half, it's 60%. So it's half plus 10. So it's only 40% missing and it's a 40% sale all during August. So we are a little overstocked because you guys think that thicker hair is the only way to go. But to kind of straighten our inventory out while supplies last, in August we'll probably run out of some. I'm going to say that all lengths, the 10, the 14, the 18, the very long 22-inch hair, if it's single plus density, it's almost half off at 40%. Listen, I don't think some people realize when a client just can't pay that price that you quote because you quoted 2 wefts and a pack of strands and you did it all in double. Check out the difference when you go and say, you know what, let me see what it would take to maybe make one of those wefts single plus density, because you really should be using one of each, or both of them in single plus density, or the client has a little finer, thinner hair and it looks more natural with single plus density. So her hair's a little thinner, you should be using all of the single plus density, the lighter hair. This is wefts and strands in 10-inch in the lighter density, and they look great. We use them quite a bit. So just adding a little thickness or volume to somebody's head, putting a little bit on the sides, making some of your formula the single density. You should really mix them together. It will save some money. It'll save the client some money. It'll save you money. Maybe you still charge the same and you have less hair costs. Totally up to you. But we've never done 40% off on anything. And I just thought that you should know during August, strands and wefts, 40% off to try the lighter density, whether it's your whole formula or some of your formula or just thickening the sides of people's heads. You should try it. Enjoy the discount.